Today I'm at Upper Serangoon Road exploring lots of eateries and shops before showing you a rare HDB for sale at Hougang area. Just minutes walk from the main road, I'm now at Block 374 Hougang Street 31. This amazing HDB flat is so rare, so outstanding that the last sold was in December 2019. This HDB executive apartment is a spacious 1,550 square feet above 16th floor with 4 regular sized bedrooms and a huge balcony facing 180-degree panoramic unblocked view. Situated right next to Stars of Kovan, this property is also conveniently located within minutes to Kovan MRT, Hougang MRT and Hougang Central. You can find all you need here. Currently, this property is waiting for a new owner to transform into a dream home. Today, I specially invited Miss Nicole from LS2 Design to share with us some ideas. Nicole!
Hello, hi, I'm Nicole here from LS2 Design. So, I'm going to maybe recommend some of the idea for this house to make it look more cozy.
Oh, I see. Yep. What are the most popular kind of theme and concept that most clients prefer?
Most of the clients actually prefer to make their home to be more cozy, earth tone, more neutral color to make it more comfortable because it's a home. So the first thing that I would recommend for this house is for the flooring. So the flooring wise, maybe we can do like a more woody color, like my 3D perspective, so it will look more cozy.
So what do you propose if the clients want more storage?
Okay, if your client want more storage, right? Actually, this is the good feature wall and storage wall over here. So that side will be the shoe cabinet, more for the shoe cabinet, the full feature wall, shoe cabinet storage area. And then continuing, we can do like a big feature wall over here for the TV feature wall. Okay.
Oh, I see. That's a very good idea. So what about if we want to transform this into a home office?
Yes.
What do you think?
For this room, right, I will recommend maybe to make this space to look more spacious. We can hack off this wall. So this wall, maybe we can hack off to a full wall or maybe to a partial wall, and we can do a glass panel to make it more see-through. So your home office will look more interesting, and on top of that also will make your living hall look more spacious.
So over here, what would you recommend for the kitchen?
For the kitchen, most of the time right now, most clients would prefer to have an open concept kitchen to hack off all this wall. So you can see through from the entrance or foyer area and the living hall area to see through to your kitchen. You can do a glass panel or maybe make it a totally open concept. So we make the space look more
spacious. That's a very good idea.
Yes.
Yeah, to make the kitchen more spacious and more bright.
Yes, okay. So for bathroom wise, I will recommend to make it a proper shower area, a wet area, and a dry area. And then all these unsightly piping, we can do a box up to cover it and do a big mirror over here as a vanity mirror cabinet. So we have storage, and yeah, like that will make the space look more wider and spacious.
So now let's move on to the bedrooms.
Sure.
What do you think can be done for the kids' room?
So for the kids' room, right, I will recommend the headboard will be here. So, and then when you're sleeping over here, you can even enjoy the nice view over here for the window.
Yes.
And this will be a good space for the wardrobe, a big wardrobe over here. And if it's for kids, right, if you need a study table, you can even do a study table in between the wardrobe and the bed area. So, can still like fully utilize the entire room.
Okay, that's a very good idea. What do you think you can recommend for the grandparents if they are staying?
So for the grandparents wise, normally this will be the headboard, the good space for the headboard area, and that recess area will be the wardrobe area. So make it more simple and spacious for elderly to move around. Yeah, and here also same thing. It's either maybe here or that side near to the window. There we can have a study table or working desk over here.
Now we are at the master room. What would you recommend?
So for the master room wise, right, this is quite a squarish layout. So for the headboard will be over here and facing to the window, so will be more windy. And also for here, right, we have a very big space here for maybe a long study table or a dresser table over here. And then this will be still the wardrobe area.
Thank you, Nicole, for showing us such great ideas to renovate this home.
Welcome.
So So wait no more, contact me for exclusive viewing. This is IVU from AAG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.
AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and Thai.